Hello, hi, Xposed GH, baby, I'll be amde. In check a said name mount. The name is Ben Pro. Subscribe, share the two man on Zakabi. Kofi Adomah shooting a course no. Debia me say there is no smoke without fire, and that there is a reason why he was shot. Allegedly, that's what I'll say. I have a saying. Kofi Adomah I believe say eka ho and asem ne see ye. Yenkohwemra.
Asia, wase me dimi 9 SC ohene bia metwa ne ti eso. Obetumi de adwananum ene, but eye ne se ene no twa se tire na anke achi na atum dadaada. Untimi nkum obi ene emfa ne se ya ahensem emfa ho ni. That is the changer aba. Enti ebeye num bi ho yaw ne se yenuanom abonofo are not one, and it is a fact. In fact, me salute asantefo se ba ne being one wo mo ya ade dodo wo mutumi ka wo ho bom, and that is why na me nuanom ye enkranfo bi di nkomo na me se enkran na ye capital na so mampani bi adu nkran so ye America mampani so ye ho mampani ye de na twam hwie ye de ne commercial because manshia project ama ye fe eno ene se other regions, other tribes, if I'm right to use that word, other baby a wofri no obi asom na yekese. Se wo hwe se dia asantefo hoahoa wo mu ade a. Me me yonkwa asanteni bia na yekọ training college. E wo Volta region. Obetimi atompaboa de abasum abeton sa asantefo padwadie pa. The Sh0t de watoma me nyina ye mpaboa kro ni nyina top man mpaboa but ohia me a obedwananum a mahu se ono ne de na Sh0t no papa me de na ye sente meanwhile ye mpaboa kro no a. That is the power of asantefo wo mu hoahoa wo mu ade ho ma ne ye fe enti so hoahoa ne de ho ma ne ye fa anya careful be fi se obu de na nimtia. Learn from them also hoahoa de ne ma ne ye fe. And this is the time. Sa abonofo pese wo mo sorry. Na as abonofo hunu say yes, abonofo gina ho a. Yes say they was sorry agina na ye support no. Se doma hene na sorry agina abonofo nta na chi. Se techima hene na sorry agina ye nta na chi. Together bono will also become so great. But say the asantefo ye one no. I don't see that e wa abonofo lie. Because I will tell you, say, Domahini ayade o. Say wetimi asori agi asante hene me kai ne mami wu ya ne yekoye yi. Woni hwan ya ka se da obeda. I salute them. Wo mu abomoden ama hinie no tumi abam. Enye so obi anani asante hene ya adwen o. Minima bi mu ano those days. Mo dwane pa. That time woman no madwana no mo MPP mo no ena issue baaye no omo gina na chi they forgotten that time. Hey, opa masante hene nya ade enye sesen eba rallying behind him, they will rally behind him. Umbeka chira sa asante de share. But when it comes to Bono, what happens? Nana Adoma hene probably ebia no nyandisi, ebia no kanadwen, ebia no yandisi. I don't know. But the way asantefo rally behind Asante Hene, is it the same way and abonofo rally behind Doma Hene and no. It is because abonofo oneness na kaya nkakra. This is the time at the ekoso no. Esi sua de di film. Bono should also come together as one. Se bono mo chicha, me kwa na me Asante Hene me wuram. That one there me cry and come wuram. Now if you want to also now person san ye kese more ka ho na ebi mu achicha wan ka wuram. Wo be wuram NDC awura CPP MPP awuram. Wo mu nyina awuram o tase se be obey kese. It is normal. But the hamadwen ye here e go social media ye di atem. Ye atem but ya yire ye ho ye di atem. Na say ya me re koye ohene ena me hu tumi a odi ohen bi atem da wo hwa wo nkwana so wo hu ne se nipa no but what ye konwa bi so akonwa no It's a whole kingdom on its own. And to say, why do you say one on that day? Into Becky can be actually will be or Snake can be chill will be but we are dear beer, a beer with Yasun so but who hang chilima. It is a problem. And into social media no use it to support. Yes.
Debia make us ethnicity should be handled carefully. Asante Bono Equiapem I be in crying. Enough for Dagari for who are we? We are Ghanaians. Why can't we embrace that? Some ya Ghana ni now so ya Ghana ni dia na say onkoso ya me de. Last week na me hwa de bi sa kwade ni Stone Boy omo of France. Omo ko headline the biggest music festival in France. Me tie kire na joy bia ba me mu sa kwade anya mabusuani. Stone Boy anya mabusu ba omo ye Ghana fo. Maka bibi say sa ethnic sentiment edeba bono ne asante ntem we need to stop if you want to go on as a nation. Eye jimia mu jimia menti bi da. What is the difference between Bono and Ashanti? Na ni nyina beka bom no if you hine ba ko a onti menti ase se wo hine bi so che obi heaven kwa yewo degrees wo kwa heaven ye obi ti self contempt mu obi ti ntabodan mu eye wunuma wo ye the Ashanti kingdom, whether you like it or not, is recognized worldwide. The Adoma kingdom is not recognized. It doesn't even have a kingdom. It's a chieftaincy, paramountcy. The earlier we start telling Yawura, oh, no, so me respecting the Adoma, and say enough of that. Sadi and Emfa Ghana ko baby ya. And no be na Kofi Koka ya sembe. Na ni aboyo. Na ma video bi. Now I'm asking myself, the new IGP, but this is what guy no cool swallow no. Share video with mommy. Me patrol video na etuo no ye say o share Kofi baby a Kofi gina no e no ball ni say share video ni biem etuo no ye say o share baby o de ya kwa sa video ni biem samra targeted. Ghana police, I don't see why I must say a incident or accident. This is not an accident. A targeted. I don't know the reason behind, but this is a targeted shooting that the IGP should get involved because anyway no, and yes, a man cost scot free. Kofi Adomah Ghana ni send am Ghana ni no. Doma for Ghana for Asante for Ghana for. Eto doma hina batome, eto Asante hina batome because we are Ghana ni. That should be the thinking. And yet me ye ko ni me ye achim ni me ye krobo ni me ye wona ye de jimie sa. What binds us is what? Our Ghanaian heritage. Me Ghana ni na Ghana ni there. I should look at your interest. Ghana say we thrive on this ethnicity. Minia chese woye me kapim ni next ni banzo kapim ni. But me won kophobia me from minia based on the relationship I share with them, not by blood, not by tribe. And that should be the thinking. That's how you should think. Because after all, we need each other to succeed as a people. So we saw now we saw na ba kwotete ntoma na. Can we go forward? No. Now we are moving forward to succeed as Ghana. That is where we go. It is the police department, CID, get involved in this issue because me share videos of Kofi Adomah when he send you to no sooner than you susua makoma a dear ne buy Ghana police whoever shot that shot look at the angle and look at it. This was deliberate. Get the person and make sure say you get to the bottom of this. Near oka say yenko shutu obiani because only crime is a crime. I Xposed GHFM Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share, me the 2 man now so I can be Manuesi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.